other. We are stronger when we cheer each other. And today, we are celebrating the women and their success, achievements, laurels that made each and every one of us proud in numerous capacities. Along with this, we will be having a panel discussion on the topic, Women Empowerment, Key to Social Economic Development of the Country. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On the behalf of Chandigarh University, I, Mandeep Kaur, extend a very warm welcome to you all to the celebration of International Women's Day. Can we have a huge round of applause? On this auspicious occasion, I extend a very warm welcome to Honorable Pro-Vice Chancellor, Chandigarh University, Professor Dr. B.S. Sohi. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? So before introducing these versatile personalities who are sitting in front of us, as a woman, I feel very, very honored to introduce them. And commencing with the very first introduction, we have with us one of the most senior and much celebrated writer of the Punjabi literature, who through her entire lifetime has written many famous books covering all age groups. And that is none other than Kana Singh, fiction writer and a literary journalist. As I said that she has written many famous books, and one of them is Khushbu, and that was also converted into a TV film that was directed by Gurcharan Singh Channi ji in 2005. And she has also written many children's book stories like Mera Nanak, Bimari Deep Pal Ate, Topi Chori, and many more. She has been felicitated with awards like Prerna Award in 1988 and Baba Balwant Yadgari Award in 2013 as well. We are so honored to have you with us, ma'am. And we also have with us Ms. Meenakshi Vashisht, Acting News Editor, Dainik Tribune, Chandigarh. Ms. Meenakshi Vashisht is one of the renowned and well-known journalists of India who has headed the front page and different religion editions. Not only this, she has been in charge of special pages of Lok Sabha and Assembly elections. She is the one under whose supervision the first page of Dainik Tribune was made with the computer in 2001. We are so honored to have with you, us, ma'am, and we are so delighted that we are having such a great personality. So the next personality that I am going to introduce is one of the motivational speakers, and that is none other than Ms. Supreet Dhiman, eminent social activist, entrepreneur, author, and TEDx speaker. Ms. Supreet Dhiman graduated in economics from University of Warwick, and following with an MBA, she worked with the British Army on race relationships and other European social fund projects in Western Europe before returning to India to set up her own enterprise, Stone Art. She is an impact storyteller, a keynote speaker, TEDx, and Josh Talk speaker. She speaks about leadership, education, gender, and many more topics. And she has even given her lectures in the famous institutions like IIM, IISER, Oxford University Press, Christ College, etc. Not only this, she has also worked for the welfare of the society through her various research works. So please give a huge round of applause for such a great personality. So the next guest that we have in front of us is Ms. Lalita Chaudhary, eminent fashion designer, entrepreneur, and social worker. Her name is a synonym with the ancient fabric of Haryana, the Riza. She is known for reviving the centuries-old Riza and bringing it to the fashion industry as well. Her Indo-Western range has been featured in the New York Fashion Week as well, not to mention other famous fashion hubs as well. She had recently had a fashion show wherein she created coutures for acid attack survivors who also walked the ramp. We are so delighted, ma'am, that you are here with us. And to add on to her achievement, she has signed the MOU with the government of Kerala and Haryana to promote Khadi. Not only this, with her outstanding work, she also has promoted Khadi in 21 countries as well. And now I'm going to introduce the one of the youngest international pistol shooter, and that is Gauri Sharon. Currently World University Champion, World Cup and South Asian Games gold medalist in shooting sports. She has participated in 35 international championships and won 26 international medals. Such a great achievement. Can we have a huge round of applause for that? She is also a brand ambassador of National Health Mission Government of Haryana. She intends to pursue fashion along with sports. Gauri Sharon has worked as a corona volunteer to fight against COVID pandemic. She even donated rupees 2 lakhs to Corona Relief Fund with distribution of 5,000 face masks, 2,000 sanitizers and 6,000 food packets to the needy one. She intends to work toward providing sports facilities and education to the weaker sections and unprivileged girls through a mission, give back to the society. She got on the cover page of some prestigious magazines like Woman Era, She the Female Gaze magazine, Sports Business Inside, Brunch HD, Sports Star, etc. We are really honored to have such an all-rounder in front of us who is making India proud at national and international level. So before introducing the next personality, I would like to call her Beauty with Brains. And that is none other than Miss Pankhuri Gidwani, Miss Grand International. An actor, model, social media influencer, Pankhuri Gidwani, who hails from Lucknow, was crowned the second runner-up of FBB Femina Miss India in 2016. She is one of the well-known faces in fashion industry and acting world. A trained Kathak dancer, Pankhuri did many shows including Indradhanush at Rashtrapati Bhavan when Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the president. So we are so honored to have you with us, ma'am. And last but not least, I am really honored to introduce this great woman who is sitting in the very center of the stage, and that is none other than Miss Megha, radio jockey 92.7 Big FM. So Miss Megha is a multilingualist and a happy-go-lucky personality, which is much needed to keep with her show, that is a very famous show by the name Big Morning Beats. And I would like to share with all of you that through her show, she not only entertains us, she also brings up all the social issues that the community, all the people are going through. And thank you so much, ma'am, for taking your part in making this society a very great society, and you playing very vital role in making such a great society. Thank you so much, ma'am. Not only this, she was named Brand Ambassador of Municipal Corporation Panchkula beside many accolades to her name. So can we have a huge round of applause for these women who are contributing in the society of India as well. And we are also delighted to have Shri Jagdeep Sharon, IAS, Secretary Finance Department of Haryana. Can we have a huge round of applause? With this, I also extend a very warm welcome to all the dignitaries, faculty members, and students. And as it is said that light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It removes the darkness and gives us positivity. In spiritual world, light means life. So we can also think of light as giving us new direction in life. With this noble thought, let us start this morning by lighting the lamp in front of Goddess Saraswati, who is a symbol of knowledge, music, art, wisdom, and nature. So with this, I request our honorable dignitaries and management of Chandigarh University to kindly be with us on the stage. And I also request our honorable guests to kindly come forward to lighten the lamp as well. Can we have a huge round of applause?
नेक्स्ट आपको देख के कौन बोलता है कि आप मॉडल नहीं है और आप एक शूटर हैं, मुझे ये बताइए पहले. यू ब्यूटिफुल गौरी, आपका निशाना तो बहुत तगड़ा है, वी ऑल नो दैट, बट वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग ऑन अ पर्सनल फ्रंट, जो कोविड के दौरान आपने किया है, दैट इज एग्जाम्पलरी, यू नो, अ बेंचमार्क फॉर मेनी पीपल दैट नो मैटर व्हाट जस्ट गो आउट एंड हेल्प. तो नाउ यू आर दैट, आप स्पोर्ट्स एक तरीके से पूरी स्पोर्ट्स फ्रेटर्निटी को यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं. जो वेज गैप होता है वो हर जगह प्रेवलेंट है. बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट यू नो जिस तरीके से हमारे जो मेल प्लेयर्स हैं उन्हें प्राइज मनी मिलती है और जो फीमेल प्लेयर्स को प्राइज मनी मिलती है, उसमें मुझे लगता है बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है. सो व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट इट?
तो शूटिंग में
माइक
तो शूटिंग में तो ऐसा वेज डिफरेंस नहीं है
Okay.
क्योंकि विमेन और मेन की दोनों की जो प्राइज मनी मिलती है वो सेम है.
ओके.
लेकिन इंडिया में बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स हैं जैसे क्रिकेट हो गया एंड
Yes.
मेबी इवन टेनिस. इन सब स्पोर्ट्स में विमेन और मेन की जो प्राइज मनी है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है. So I think कि women are working just as hard as men in sports and the competition is the same and the sport is the same. So I don't feel that there should be a difference in the prize money that is given because all the sports are the same and like you are working just as hard, you're competing just as hard like on an international level and so many sports on international level are also now doing like in shooting. So we have like many events. So first, earlier men used to have more events than women.
Mhm.
So now in Olympics also to get the gender equality, they're reducing the events for men and increasing the events for women so
That's
that
great.
there are equal events and equal opportunities for both the genders. So I think that should be done in every field and that's what I feel.
I have another question for you. You know, आप स्पोर्ट्स के फील्ड में हैं बट मुझे लगता है ये 20th सेंचुरी ऐसी रही है जहाँ पे यू नो फीमेल्स दे हैव कम इनटू स्पोर्ट्स, अपना नाम बनाया है. साइना नेहवाल, पीवी सिंधु, मिताली राज, सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स टू कोट यू नो. बट आज भी मतलब लाइक फॉर अ नॉर्मल वुमन इज इट ओके टू ड्रीम दैट मुझे स्पोर्ट्स में अपना करियर बनाना है? इनफ रिसोर्सेज, इनफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, डू वी हैव देम?
Yeah, definitely. Like मुझे लगता है कि opportunities बहुत हैं, men, women both, and लेकिन हमारे पास कुछ resources हर event में नहीं है, हर sport में नहीं है, जितनी facilities provide होनी चाहिए. Probably हमारे पास उस level की sports science नहीं है, is what I believe. और जैसे हर एक sport में you need a psychologist, a physiotherapist probably. So all of that is not available at just one place for an athlete.
Yeah.
Like even if you're representing your country, you don't get all of that at one place, which is like at world level. So to compete with all of the people outside India who have all of those facilities,
Right.
so it's a very tough task to compete with them when you don't have all those facilities, and maybe you have to provide it for yourself and you don't get it from elsewhere. So I think अगर हमारे पास और opportunities हों और facilities हों, so I think we can do better.
Definitely, and all the very best to you.
Thank you.
Just keep making us proud. All right. आज सुबह ही you know social media पे बहुत से memes and all that वो सब. Oh, I'm so sorry. ये मेरे साथ चलेगा. Okay. सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत से मीम्स आते हैं तो बेसिकली एक फिल इन द ब्लैंक था. आखिर में मैं चाहूंगी कि आप सभी लेडीज वो ब्लैंक मेरे लिए यहाँ पर फिल करें एंड दैट इज हाउ वी कंक्लूड दिस सेशन. सो इट वाज दिस वुमेन्स डे डैश एंड यू फिल द डैश विद द चेंज यू वांट टू सी इन द सोसाइटी. ऑलराइट, शॉर्ट हो सकता है, क्रिस्प हो सकता है. मीनाक्षी मैम आपसे शुरुआत करते हैं. दिस वुमेन्स डे, व्हाट इज द चेंज यू विश टू सी इन द सोसाइटी? आपका माइक मैम. ये सरप्राइज टेस्ट आ गया थोड़ा सा. आउट ऑफ सिलेबस था ये.
This Women's Day is marvelous and we should. मैं एक चीज वैसे इससे थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ सिलेबस ये भी है. आज जो ये बड़ी आज का दिन जो है ना, हरियाणा असेंबली सारी जो विमेन MLAs हैं वो उसको आज रन करेंगी. हरियाणा हिमाचल के जो सारे थाने हैं, सारे चौकियां हैं, उनमें सब में विमेन हैं. आज का दिन ये खास कुछ जगह पे बहुत. नासा की अभी मैंने आज सुबह पढ़ा कि नासा की जो चीफ हुई है नई भव्या लाल, इंडिया की है वो, और उसको भी आज ही वो मतलब मिला है. तो मुझे ये बड़ी अच्छी चीज़ें लगी कि मतलब ये कुछ अच्छी विमेन के लिए कुछ निकल के आ रही हैं. और एक इन्होंने जो गांव की बात की तो महिलाओं की, तो वो हमारे पास कई खबरें आती थी कि वो सरपंच पति, क्योंकि वो महिलाओं के लिए आरक्षण हो गया तो उनको सरपंच बनना जरूरी था. तो वो अब ये कि वो महिला तो घूंघट में ही है, वो तो सरपंच बन गई और उसका जो वो पति है वो सरपंच पति के नाम से वही सभाएं कर रहा है, वही सारे डिसीजंस ले रहा है, वही कर रहा है. तो हमें ये बड़ा अजीब लगता था कि सरपंच पति की खबर क्यों छापे, हम महिला उसकी क्यों नहीं. तो हम लोग उसको कट कर देते थे कि ये नहीं छपेगी जब तक उसकी सरपंच की खुद की नहीं आएगी, खुद नहीं बोलेगी. और अब वो उसमें काफ़ी चेंज हुआ है. वो अब रिपोर्टर्स हमारे जा जाके उनके पास घुसते हैं, करते हैं कि आप खुद अपने बयान दें. जो सरपंच हैं आप घूंघट उठाएं और खुद करें अब वो उस चीज़ों में मतलब बड़ा अच्छा चेंज हो रहा है। ये अब मैं वही कहती, मैं अभी मुझे सांड की आंख फिल्म याद आ रही थी, देखी
Yeah.
होगी याद आ रही थी।
तापसी पन्नू एंड भूमि।
तापसी पन्नू वाली, तो वो भी ऐसी था कि वो जो गांव की जो दादियाँ थी वो अपनी शूटर उनको बनाया उन्होंने, और ये देखिए बड़ी बड़ी मिसालें हैं हमारे सामने। बाकी अब इसका फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में क्या बोलूँ, ये विमेंस डे
आपका यही related?
एवरी डे।
Yes, all right, perfect. Pankudi, over to you. Spontaneous answer. This Women's Day, this change.
Believe in yourself. This is to all women out there. You know, most of the time we don't do things because we don't believe we can do it, and as ma'am said, हमें believe करवाया ही नहीं जाता है. I am very very fortunate that my parents, my family has been so supportive. But कई जगह बचपन से इतना दबा देते हैं ना कि that you don't know if this is your right, you don't know if you can ask for it. And this is important कि कोई आपको बताए कि यार ये आपका right है. This is what you naturally deserve and what you should ask for. So this Women's Day, believe in yourself.
Beautiful, beautiful. Supreet ma'am, please.
Just one word, support.
Please ma'am, Gauri, how would you fill in the blank? आपका क्या जवाब होगा?
I'd say this Women's Day we should unlearn and learn things in a different way. So we make you learn things a certain way since the beginning. So I'd say we should unlearn them and learn them again.
Beautiful, beautiful. Lalita ma'am, आप क्या बोलेंगी?
एक तो खुद पर विश्वास करो,
जी।
और जो झूठ मूठ की बेड़ियां बनाई हुई है ना अपने चारों तरफ, खुद ही नहीं बनाई हुई
जी।
हैं, उनको तोड़कर थोड़ा सा बाहर निकलें, खुद को भी सबल करें और अपने साथ किसी दो को भी लेके चलें, तो ज़रूर चीज़ें सुधरेंगी इन चीज़ों को लेकर।
बहुत खूबसूरत, बहुत खूबसूरत।
I request Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. B.S. Sohi to be with on the stage with us, because we are going to felicitate these wonderful women with the Woman Icon of the Year Award. And we are so delighted that we are honoring these wonderful ladies for their versatile work. So I request Ms. Kana Singh, Senior Fiction Writer and Literary Journalist, to please come forward. Please, sir. Who want to pursue their careers in the literature. Ms. Meenakshi Vashisht, Acting News Editor and Dainik Tribune from Chandigarh. Ma'am, please. Can we have a huge round of applause? Thank you, ma'am, for being the inspiration for all the women who want to pursue their careers in the media and journalism. We have Ms. Supreet Dhiman, social activist, entrepreneur, author, and TEDx speaker with us. This Woman Icon Award is for her dedication towards the welfare of the women, towards the welfare of the society.
Can we have the same energy we started with, guys? Same energy.
Next, we have Ms. Lalita Chaudhary, fashion designer, entrepreneur, and social worker. This is a token of appreciation and gratitude from Chandigarh University for your versatile work and promoting the tradition of India, not only in the nation but at international level. Next, we have Ms. Gauri Shiran, international pistol shooter. We would like to commend this award in recognition of versatile work and being a great inspiration for all the young women who want to pursue their careers in sports. Then we have Ms. Pankudi Gidwani, Indian model and actress and Miss Grand International. Can we have a huge round of applause? For your endless contribution in making India proud with your work. And last but not least, the moderator of this wonderful event, Miss Megha, radio jockey 92.7 Big FM. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being a great inspiration for all the women who are looking forward, just like you, have been always a great inspiration. Dignitaries to kindly stay with us for the group photograph, and today we're gonna also launch the Women Empowerment Scholarship for Distance Education program as well. So this is one of the initiatives of Chandigarh University to provide education, distance education to all the women, even though are working or non-working women, so they can commence their education. So it is a really great moment for all of us because this scholarship is being inaugurated by these wonderful women who are excelling in their respective fields. We are so honored to have these wonderful ladies because these are really leaving a benchmark for the women who want to excel in their fields.